Okay. So ate, so we will start our discussion na po. So for this one po ate, measuring the length of a line segment. Ano yung line segment? Ano yung line segment ate? So yung line segment po is, saan kanyo? This one. You have this one and you have this one, tama? Point, line, ray, and point, line segment. Very good ate. So for this one, for the measuring the length of a line segment ate, so we will be using a ruler or a meter stick. Alam mo yung ruler? Di ba you use that one? The meter stick. Di mo ala? Meter stick ate, longer version yun siya ng ruler. Usually color yellow yan siya. Hindi ko pa nakita, no? Okay, so for this one po ate, in a ruler, there are markings starting from 0 as shown in the given figure. So these markings divided the ruler into equal parts. So this one po ate, if you are going to look that one, that small one oh, nakikita mo yan? Yung mga small, anong tawag dyan? Millimeter. How about this one? 11 and 12. The distance, that is 1 centimeter. How about this one? Inches. From 0 to 1, inches. 1 to 2, inches. Ulit ha? The small one, ano yung tawag? Millimeter. How about this one? 11 and 12? 1 centimeter. Next ate, this one, these are inches. So this one, ano sinabi dito? The smaller?
The smaller marks in the ruler show millimeter. It is a unit of measurement which is smaller than centimeter. The measure of the length of a line segment. Position the zero marking of a ruler along one endpoint of the line segment up to the other endpoint.
Accordingly. So this one daw, as shown in the figure below, the length of a line segment is what? Okay, according to the ano ate, as shown in the figure below, the length of the line segment is measured as what ate? 8 centimeter. Do you believe ate that this is 8 centimeter? Hindi man ate no? Kasi this one, ano yung nakalagay? 10. Dapat this one ate, this should be 10. 10 ate. Kasi 10 man yung nakalagay dito, no? So feel ko nagkamali sila ate. So this one, drawing a line segment of equal length. In order to draw a line segment of equal length po ate, with given segments, automatically po is the simplest and the easiest way. So step 1, how to measure the length po ate of the given line segment using a ruler. For example, the length of the given line segment is 6 centimeter. Tama hindi? Tama. Next, this one, place the ruler where you will draw the line segment and mark its starting point. So if your starting point is 0, saan mag-i-end ang 6 centimeter? This one, tama? If you want 3 inches, you will move this one. If you want 3 millimeters ate, you will use that one. Tama? Or you will answer this one. Tama? Ulit, 6 centimeters saan? That one. 3 inches. This one. 3 millimeters. That one, the smaller one. So mark ate the other end. So after you mark the beginning ate, you will mark the last. Okay ha? So this one po ate, draw a straight line connecting the 2 points. You should have a line segment with a length of 6 centimeter which has the same or equal length with the given line segment. Okay, na-understand mo na how to do it? Okay, so this one po ate, we will be having an intersecting or parallel perpendicular lines. Try to read ate intersecting lines. Try to read.
Intersecting lines are lines that cross at one point. The following are intersecting lines.
Enter.
Intersecting lines.
Oh, pag once ate na meron, di ba this one, the arrow ate are considered as lines. Pag once ate, the lines ate, you put another line ate on top of it, what do you call that one?
Sides.
Intersecting lines. For example, this one and this one. When we say parallel lines, basa?
Parallel lines are lines that do not intersect or touch each other at any point.
Very good. So ibig sabihin, as what you can see ate, di ba they are going at the same direction? Di ba hindi sila nagbabanggaan ate? Automatically, what do you call that one? Parallel lines are lines that do not intersect or touch each other. Ibig sabihin, if you ate, you are going to your house and si Prince ate going to your house also, what do you call ate that one? Parallel. Parallel na because you are going at the same direction. What if ate you are going to your house but Prince are going to the kitchen? What happened? Intersecting or hindi siya nagka-same ate na lines. So we have also perpendicular lines. Try to read ate.
Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines that are upright or vertical to each other. A small square in the
Intersection.
in the I place to indicate that the lines are perpendicular. The following are perpendicular lines.
Okay, so what does it mean ate kapag perpendicular lines? It creates daw a square ate. How much is the value of the square ate? 90 ha? How much is the value of square? 90. So not all of the intersecting lines ate are intersecting lines. Pag once gani ate na there is a line that is perfectly x siya ate, you will put a perpendicular lines or this one ate. How much is the value of this one? 90. How much is the value of square? 90. So ibig sabihin, you cannot say this one as intersection line but you will say perpendicular. When is the right time ate you will say that this is a perpendicular? If you see a square. Pero this one, walang square, this is what we call intersecting lines. Okay, identify whether a point or a line or a ray is being represented by each of the following objects. Write your answers in the blank. Side of a ruler, is that a point, is that a line, or is that a ray? Very good, pwede. Tip of a ball pen. Point. Corner of a table.
How does a ray look like again?
Ray look like? This one. This one. What do you think of the corner of the table?
Maybe point.
Corner, yeah, pwede. A curtain rod. Line. Sun rays. Sun rays. Di ba there's a sun ate? And the reflection of sun, if sun ate will reflect to the earth, di ba there are sun rays ate na matatamaan tayo? This one ba oh? Ito ate. Ay wala palang internet, may hinaan. Sun rays ate for example, I will have a flashlight. And if natamaan ka ng flashlight, what do you call that one? This one ba? That one. Oh, what is that one? Light? Pero you have keyword na. Sun rays, rays. Intersection of a side wall and a ceiling. That one ate oh, di ba that's a side wall, that's a ceiling. The intersection of that one ate. Di ba this is the ceiling, this is the wall. What do you call this one? Line? Oh, yeah, pwede. Tip of a needle.
Line.
Well, no. Point or, pwede din siyang ray. Di ba ate? The ray ate are, this one. Oh, ibig sabihin, you can also say that one as, ano sa kuya? Ay, kuya, ate ray. Next po, stripes of a shirt. Stripes of a shirt. Line. Next, sides of a rectangular mirror. Sides. line. Next, intersection of the front wall and a side wall and a ceiling. Just like that one, ate, oh. The end part na ate. That one, oh. You can see it?
The end part of the...
Di ba, this one, here's the, ate, the side wall. Put ka with ate, iput mo yung, mo, you will put your, this one ba, hold this book, what, ganyan. This one, oh. Okay, sorry. Just like this one. This one, oh. This one, ano ba?
A point?
This one, ate, oh. Di ba, here's the side wall, this one, oh. What do you call this one in here? Point. Ganun ha? You understand it, ate? Just like that one, oh. Okay, so this one, basa doon ate, the instruction.
Can you see lines in the famous
Juanico
Bridge? Name the lines that you can see in the picture of the bridge. Do you see parallel lines? Do you see intersecting lines? What about perpendicular lines?
Okay, so this one ate, name the lines that you can see ate, if you are going to closely observe. What can you observe ate?
I can see
Intersecting lines?
I can see a parallel line.
Oh, saan ang parallel lines? This one, oh. Oh, di ba they are going at the same direction? Next, aside sa parallel lines, saan pa? You see?
Intersecting.
Saan? This one, oh. That's intersecting. For the parallel, for this one, medyo dito rin siya ate at the bottom. Sige. So move tayo. Instruction. This one ate, this will be the mirror classmate. Number 1 ate, choose which term best describe. Yeah, just tatlo. What is that one?
Number 1 is point.
Number two?
2 is line.
Number 3?
Number 3 is ray. Is segment.
Number 4?
4 is ray.
Number 5? Number 5?
Is ray.
Ray pa rin ha? Even though opposite direction is ray na. Next ate, identify whether each pair of lines shows that they are parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. This one?
Parallel.
Parallel?
This one intersecting. This one parallel. This one intersecting.
Oh, intersecting ito?
It's
Perpendicular. Kapag it's perfectly crossed ha? This one?
It's intersecting.
Intersecting. Very good. Next, draw each of the following. Use the space provided. If you were given a chance to draw a line ate, you will try to draw this one ha? Oh. This one ha? Arrows on both ends. Kapag ray naman po ate, just like this one. Kapag segment, just like this one. Okay, which term best describes the figure? Number 1.
Number 1 is line. Number 2 is point. Number 3 is ray. Number 4 is segment. Then number 5 is ray.
This one.
Is parallel. This one is intersecting. Is parallel. Intersecting. Intersecting.
Intersecting ha? Okay, di ba hindi pa sila nag-intersect ate? Pero if you continue this one, basically they will intersect with each other ha? This is not a parallel. This one?
This one is perpendicular.
Very good, perpendicular. Okay. This one, number 1.
Number 1 is parallel. Number 2 is intersecting. And
Number 3,
is
correct?
perpendicular.
4?
Intersecting.
4?
Is
Perpendicular.
And then it's perpendicular. I know it's intersecting.
Next, number 1.
Number 1 is perpendicular.
Very good. Number 2.
Number 2 is parallel.
Number 3.
Number 3 is parallel.
Number 4.
Is perpendicular.
Number 6.
Perpendicular.
Correct. So this one, using a ruler, draw a line segment which has the same measurement or length of the given segment. So this one, ate, you have to measure this one and down. So since we don't have any ruler, hindi tayo makagawa niyan. Well, we are finished na ate. Next, reading and writing whole numbers up to, how do you read this one? 10 what?
10,000.
This one. How do you write? Read the ate. What number is this?
2,030. 358.
Very good. Ano sinabi niya? 2,358. So this one po ate. Base 10 blocks are used to represent numbers. Study the base 10 blocks below. Take note of the numbers that they represent. If you saw this one ate, the color green, how much is the representation of that one? 1,000. If you see a color orange, that's 100. If you see a color blue, that's 10. If you see a color yellow, that's 1. So this one, here are the names of each model. Okay ha? For example, wala nakalagay, pero it was stated that it's black ate. How much is the value? If it is flat, 1,000. If it is long, 100 pala. If it is long, kapag square, 1. Okay, if it is the color, kapag this one ate, 1,000.
1,000 is 100. Is 10, then is 1.
Okay. Next. How much is this one ate?
Which one?
This one.
This one is 2,000.
2,000.
This one is 300.
So 2,300.
That is 20. 20 plus 10 is...
Hindi, ano mo na lang? 10, 20?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
70. How about that one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
70 plus 7.
70 plus 7, 77.
77. Connect all of it. 2,000.
377.
Correct. Next.
Is 3,000, 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 plus 8 is 48.
So, how do you read it?
3,000 is 48.
Correct. Next. How can you represent this number using desk ate? Disc pala, such as the following. If it is yellow, 1. If it is red, 10. Red, orange. It's orange or... ito yung orange, no? That's red. Tama?
I thought the 10 is blue.
No, this one. This naman ito ate. Rounded man ito. This one in
Is
cube. So this one, if it is yellow, 1. If it is red, that's 10. If it is green, that's 100. If it is violet, that's 1,000. How much is that one ate?
2,323.
Very good. Next. This one ate.
4,210, 270, 76.
So all in all, kasali na yung green. Sige lang.
Is 4,276.
76. So this one, you know how to spell this one ate?
No.
You don't know how to spell this one? Okay. This one, I want you to go sa itaas ate. Ano yung i-ask mo? Try to ask for 1 ball pen and 1 bond paper ate. Okay, so that you practice how to write ate. Balik agad ha. Ako na? Okay. Sige daw. Try to spell daw this one ate. 4,246. 46 ba ito? 76 no? Sige daw. Try to spell daw. Sulat dito number 1.
Number 1.
Go.
4.
1,000. 1,000.
Thousand.
1,000. Pound. Pound. Sige, ayos. Pound. Sige lang. Okay ate. 4,000.
4,000.
San. Di ba after 4,000, you put comma agad. Comma ate. That one. Next, 276. 200. 100. 100. And 76.
And
76.
70.
If it is the ending, ate, you will write this one, huh? Okay, gosh, next. This one daw.
1,000. What's this again?
1 D.
I know that's
100.
1,600 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 43.
So,
1,643.
ate, 1,600 and
And
if you are going to read this one, ate, that's the time you'll put end ulit. 1,643. Sige daw, spell. 1,000.
600.
100. Ano yun siya? 100? 100. 1,000. 100. Yan. Sige. After you will put 1,000 gani ate. Wait lang. You will put comma kaagad. Just like this one, oh. Comma kaagad. 1,000. After 1,000, you will put comma.
100
And yun. 640.
43.
Yan. 43. Okay. So this one. Ang 40 yata ate. Kaya ano yun siya ate? This one, oh. Spell ng 40.
40
Oh, F-O-R-T-Y lang yata. Wait lang. Confirm muna natin. Check muna natin yung kabila. This one. Oh, how much is that one?
is 2,000 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 2,000, ay,
Ito 100, di ba?
oh,
Ako yan.
is
100, 100.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800,
Oh.
800.
So 2,000.
800 and 1,
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 2,800 and, what's it? I forgot.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4,
10, 20.
oh. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Hmm.
2,884.
Oh. So, sulat.
3, tapos 2,
Oh, bakit 2? Yan.
2,000, 800 and 80,
80
80
dash
dash
4. F-O-U-R. Okay, next. Number 4.
Number 4 is 1,010, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1,091.
1. Okay, sulat. Madali lang.
4, 1,000 and
And 90.
90, 90,
Dash.
just like that, the 90.
Yeah.
90 dash 1.
1. Next, number 5.
Number 5 is 1,000 and
Ah.
2,700. 1,
10 lagi.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Hmm.
2,700
Huwag ka gagamit ng end, di ba? If you are reading the orange, dito ka lang mag-end.
2,785.
Hmm.
2,007. Oh, 700. Oh,
Okay, sorry.
100 and 80, 85.
Okay, next. Wala kang ginag comma. Tapos naglagay ka lagi ng N.
Huh?
1,000. Dapat pala. Next, number 6. Do not put comma na.
Ah,
Do not put comma. Next, number 6.
Number 6 is 3,000 and
3,000. Bakit ka naggamit ng N?
3,320.
And?
3,300 and 2.
Anong to? 20?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hmm.
3,320.
And, lagi.
3,327.
Wala.
3,000, comma, then 300, 300, and 20, 7.
This one, oh.
20.
Remove that TWO. Di ba 20?
Ah, okay.
Next. This one. Ano yung nakalagay ate? Forests in the Philippines are decreasing because of what? Illegal cutting of trees. According to the Forest Management Bureau, the following are the provinces with the least forest covered areas. Read the numbers in the third column and write them in words po ate. So this one, we have rank 1. How do you say this one? Guimaras. Guimaras. How many? 776. Hindi, wala na ito ate. Next. Form a group. This one, practice ate. Same pa din. Number 1. Number 1?
Number 1 or number 3? 7.
Number 7 na lang. 7 na lang.
1,200. 1,246.
Okay, go.
The table is shaking.
It's our data, hindi. Di ba hindi?
Is it with you?
1,200 and
Is it with
walang U. 40. Pero if you are going to spell the 4 lang ha kapag walang T, F-O-U-R. But if there is a T, which is T-Y, there's no U ha. Okay? Go.
is 3,000 and 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 3,080. Wala nag and.
Oh, you put N. Di ba? Basta if you read the, violet. N ka agad.
3,000, 3,000 and what's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3,800. 800.
Next.
Here.
Kabila.
4,000 and 4,200. 4,300 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4,340.
Is it 40?
Ay,
Di ba tag 10?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Oh.
88. 4,380. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ulit daw, read daw.
So it's 4,389. Ay, 88.
Right?
4,000 380.
Next.
Is 400.
Four?
Ay, 4,000. 4,010.
Yung 10.
10.
O, 10 yan ikaw. Add ito.
10.
11. 10, 11, 12. Di ba this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10.
9 plus 10 is 19.
Oh. So, 4,000 and?
19. 4,000 and 19.
Next. Number 11.
2,000 and 2,001.
Ano ba?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 2,086. 2,000 and 86.
Next.
Nothing. It's this one.
Write the following numbers in words. Write down the following words, ate.
Here or there?
Here, uy, bawal malito answeran. Di ba wala naman kayo, di ba, nag-discuss of this one? We are having our advanced lesson. Do not put your answer in here. This one muna.
4,258.
Move this one na ako.
4,305.
300. 300. And?
5.
Ano 5? Merong 8 oh. 58.
And
50.
50. Next is 9,705. 9,000 and
9,700.
this and
Wala, uy. 9,705. Doon pa ang N.
9,705. 6,003.
Saan ka na lang? Dito pa oh. Tapos ka na?
Yeah. I know.
This one.
I okay.
Read mo na dabi.
4,389.
Correct.
389.
Correct. Next.
89.
Okay.
6,003. 6,003.
Tama, next.
8,001.
Philippines.
8,001. 2,203.
Very good.
2,202.
Okay. Next.
18. 7,022.
Very good.
Oh, 7,022.
Okay, this one ate, huwag mo na isulat ha, sabihin mo na lang sa akin. How to read this one?
7,000.
This one.
Oh, 4,704.
Next.
5,147.
47?
45.
Next.
6,506.
This one, write in words down. Number 19. Write in words. Ay, in words, in number.
Number.
Read mo na, 7,000.
7,503.
Write down in numbers.
7. How to write the thousand is 4 or 2?
7 na, di ba? 7, 503. So,
How many is circle? How many zero in the thousand?
no ate, you will write this one, 7,000, tapos 503. Oh, ganyan lang. Number 20. Proceed ka dito. Pasulat mo yung answer, 7 times 3. Next, number 2.
8,110.
Sulat daw. 110. 10. Very good. Next, number 3.
5,000.
Sulat mo. Number 5,304.
5,304.
Hmm.
5,300.
Yeah, it's good ate to squeeze that one.
It also smells like butter.
Yeah. Beth, ano yung answer mo?
5,304.
Next, number 4.
2,506. 2,506. 1,950. 1,950.
Next, this one. Sabihin mo lang ang answer mo. Do not write na in words. You know naman. 1,000?
Numbering figure. 1,101.
1,100?
1,111.
11. Next.
4,011. 4,011.
4,002. 1 plus 1, 2. 4,002. Next.
2,420.
Next.
5,000. 5,000 and
50.
50.
Next.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7,505. Ay, 4.
This one. Isusulat to ito in words ate, pero i-read mo na lang. Read.
4,036.
Next.
9,428.
Next.
1,879.
Next.
2,456.
Next.
3,405.
Next.
9,003.
Next.
8,903.
Next.
7,819.
Next.
8,516. 3,583.
Next. Saan dyan yung correct?
6,595. 6,500 here.
Next.
3,835. 3,835.
Next.
9,518. 9,518. 9,518.
Next.
7,230. 7,230.
Next.
5,935. 5,935. 5,935. Here. 9,935. What's that? 5,935.
Oh, next. This one. Use the digits 0, 2, 4, 5, and 9 wants to write a number containing the following. Write your answer. List 3-digit odd number. When you say list 3-digit odd number, ano ba yung mga odd numbers ate?
Is 1,
3.
3, 5, 7, and 9.
Ano yung mga even?
Is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8.
So this one, list a 3-digit odd number. So this one ate, use the digit 0, 5, and wants to write a number. List, this one ate, I want you to formulate, di ba this one na, okay. Di ba you have, how many numbers you have in here ate? You have only option 0, 2, 4, 5, and 9. List 3-digit odd numbers. When we say odd numbers ate, di ba the ending is, what is the ending?
9.
9. O, ibig sabihin, you will do this one. 0, 2, 9. O, among all of these combination ate, this is the least, ate ha, ito yung pinakamaliit. What if I will write this one? 0, 4, ay hindi sa 0, 2, 9. Meron pa mas maliit sa 0.029. 0, 2, 5. Di ba the ending is 5? This is an odd number, ate. So this is the list. What if you will write, ate, 405? Is this maliit? Di ba mas maliit si 25?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is next. Greatest 3-digit even number. Formulate daw. You can choose only from 5 numbers, ha? 0, 2, 4, 5, 9. Greatest 3-digit even number. Ibig sabihin pinakamalaki, ate, na even number. Sige daw, think, think of the biggest even number. So ano yung dapat yung ending? The ending should be, or the end digit number is? 5 is odd man, ate. Even man ito. Dapat your ending number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Hmm.
0, 2, 4,
6, 8. Oh, dapat dyan, 4. So you know, ate, that your ending is 4. Pero what is the front, ate? Oh, write na 4. Sulat na 4.
4.
Ano yung sa harap?
Sa harap is
5?
5.
Oh, try 5. Ano yung sa middle? Hindi, di ba dapat ending siya, ate?
5.
Ano yung dito? 3 digit man daw. 3 digit. 9?
9.
Sige, sulat. Oh, ibig sabihin, this is correct. Why, ate? The last digit is even. This one. What do you think of 594? Sino mas malaki? 954 or 594?
900.
And 54. That is why, ate, it's important to know this one. Next, number 3. List 4-digit odd number. What's the ending dapat? It should be 9 and 5. Do not end with 4 and 2 and 0, ha? Because that will become even. List of 4-digit. Choose ka, ate, sa apat. Pinaka-list.
9.
Mas maliit na si 5. Kesa kay 9. So dapat, your last number, ate, will be 5. Maput na. 5.
5.
Next.
So last is
Dito ka tingin, oh, sa remaining na answer.
4.
Very good. 4. After 4,
9.
9. Try put 9.
9.
Isa pa. Apat man, oh. 4 digit. Isa pa. 2. Go. Oh, this one natin, what may answer? 5, 4, 2, 0. 2,945. Ano yung sa teacher? 245. Oh, ibig sabihin, sino mas maliit? Sa akin or sa'yo, ate? Oh, dapat, huwag mo kalimutan na, nandiyan si 0. Next, number 4, ate. Greatest 4-digit even number. Oh, what's the combination? Greatest na, pinakamalaki na 4-digit even number.
So this is the biggest.
No, ate, the list is the smallest. The greatest is the biggest. Okay? Dapat combination, ate, that even number yung n.
Even. Wait. 1, 2, 3. After 1 is ano? 3.
Bakit 1? Dito, di ba you can choose only from 0, 2, 4, 5, 9? Why do you have 1? You can only choose from these numbers.
Maybe 0
Where do you put 0?
in the first.
In the first row. Greatest na, ibig sabihin biggest. Next.
Oh, no, 9.
9. Next, after 9?
9.
After 9?
After 9 is 2. I know. 5.
5.
5.
After
After
five?
5 is 4.
Next.
And 2.
Oh, tama na, kasi 4 lang man. This is correct, ha? This is the biggest, ate. Next. Greatest 5-digit odd number. When we say odd number, the ending should be 9 or 5. Greatest 5-digit odd number. Go, ate. Greatest 5-digit odd number.
I will do 5.
5. Next.
5. 4.
4.
2.
2.
0. I know. 9.
9. Next.
4. 5. 0. Oh no. 0 then 9.
Okay, this one. How about this one? Di ba your answer is 5, 4, 2, 0, 9? Oh, this one. How about kay teacher? 9. 4. Next is 2, 0, 5. Di ba you can have the ending 5? Oh, sino mas malaki?
Yours.
Oh, kasi 9,000, ay hindi, 94,000, you only have 54,000. Ay, nako. Last, bantay ha, dapat mas list sa'yo. List 5-digit even number.
5-digit number.
List, pinakamaliit.
Pinakamaliit.
Hmm.
0.
I don't know. You can have only this one.
Even. 0. Wait, ito. It's not even. It's odd. Ay!
Dapat ang ending mo, ang ending mo even ha. Dapat 5-digit. Dapat you have a 5-digit.
0. 0. Dapat the ending is even.
Oo, kasi least man, pinakamaliit. Or the smallest. Smallest 5-digit even number.
0, 2. Wait. Ay, meron ka muna. 0, 2, 4. 0, 2, 5, 9, 4.
Where's your answer?
There. This one. That one.
There?
List. It's list. Ay, no! This one is even man. The even.
Oh, even man. Oh, ending mo man even. Tama man yan.
It's right man.
Kasi if I will put 9 in here, it will become 2,954. Tama? So, yeah, correct. Appear. Next. This one. Same process. Go.
2,220. Ay, 2,222.
Next. Next.
4,000 and
Ano man?
ay, 2,
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
Mm.
70. 4,070.
Next.
1,000, 5,000, ay, 1,500, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1,000, 1,507.
Next.
5,000, 5,500.
Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,000 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 5,079.
Ano 79 ka dyan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 78.
Call your kuya na. Ate, what do you think of our lesson? Mahirap hindi? Di ba? Madali na. Ang call your kuya na.
The number of the fallacy.
Hmm.